Reliance Joy Life Earth 2 mobile, 5-inch display, resolution is 1080 into 1920 pixels, 3GB RAM, and battery backup is 2500 mAh. It's looking like an iPhone. You just see this is a notification, and just I am opening the settings, and its pixel density is 445, and processor is octa-core, and Android version is Lollipop 5.1.1. You just see this. I am just showing the status of this mobile about the phone. Internal memory is 32GB, and we can extendable up to 64GB. And front camera is 13 megapixel, and primary camera is also 13 megapixel. Yeah, I just open this camera. I just open the settings. You just see this. It's very nice. And it is a 3GB RAM. It's 13 megapixel. Yeah. Let's take a snap. I just show you. You just see this. You can see this video also. One second video. This is a Reliance Joy Life Earth 2 mobile. Yeah, 5-inch display.
అరే అన్నీ చూసుకున్నారా కరిబాబు లేదంటే పర్లేదు సార్ నేను నిలబడి ఏం ఆగి మీద పై మీద పెట్ట రైట్ పై
Rవి